President Tsai Ing-wen has appealed for calm as a fifth local case was added to a cluster at Taoyuan General Hospital.
Speaking at a bakery in Yilan, Tsai said Taiwan's outbreak remained contained. She also called for the public to support and empathize with the healthcare workers infected in the line of duty.
Tsai headed to Yilan's countryside on Monday for a tour of a local bakery where she sampled an assortment of treats.
Now, I've eaten a lot of cheesecake, and this cheesecake is lovely. The kumquat really gives it a special something. It's inspired. This is extremely delicious.
Tsai sang the praises of local delicacies, giving encouragement to the young entrepreneurs behind the business and promoting Yilan tourism. Tsai also had words for the public regarding a COVID cluster involving 5 medical professionals.
Although these past few days we've had a few local infections, we still have a firm control over the pandemic. There's no need to worry or panic.
The president sounded a reassuring note. She also read aloud an open letter that thanked Taiwan's healthcare workers.
The medical workers on the front line face the greatest risk. They're also under the most stress. For our sake, they are standing guard on the front line. To all these medical professionals who are able to stand firm at their posts, as president, I am very grateful. We must all wear our masks and wash our hands and observe all the other rules in place to prevent transmission. That is the greatest thing we can do to support our medical staff.
At a separate venue, Premier Su Zhenchang issued a similar call.
Taiwan's healthcare workers have fought the good fight for more than a year. Incidents are inevitable. They braved great risk and spared no pains to care for patients who are strangers to them, and now they've ended up getting infected themselves. We should cheer on our medical professionals and give them words of encouragement. I'd also like to make a request of my fellow Taiwanese. Due to the worsening of the pandemic, please minimize travel and replace it with video conference as much as you can.
Su urged people to restrict their movements and to follow health guidelines to ease the burden on medical staff. In these COVID times, one small misstep could lead to a crisis.